Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to enter upper bar here, and here you have to find this button, read in mode. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can also change some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity here. Let's switch off dark mode, and now you can see it more clear that I can change its intensity. You can also add a schedule for this mode. You can select good night's read, which sets this mode, the schedule for this mode from sunset to sunrise, or you can set your custom schedule. You can select your start time and the end time here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.